Hello, students. Cheerful morning, you all. I'm sure you all over the moon. Today, we are going to learn a new topic from second unit Prose. I can't climb trees anymore. Written by Ruskin Bond. The title is I can't climb trees anymore. Climb meaning move up. The author name is Ruskin Bond. Clear? Let's take a look at the author. About the author. Ruskin Bond was born on 19th May. See the Ruskin Bond, he was born on 19th May 1934. Clear? Which year he was born? He was born in the year of 1934. Okay. He is an award-winning Indian author of British descent. He won many awards. Okay. He is a famous writer. Then British descent meaning he was born in India, brought up in London. Okay. He was born in India, brought up in other countries. So that is why it's a British descent. Clear? Then, he is much renowned. Renowned meaning famous for his role in promoting children's literature in India. Children's, it is possessive case. So, he was a good children's writer. Children loves him a lot. Maximum his stories related to children. Okay. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role. This council, they recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. He got the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992 for Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra. Which award he got? Sahitya Akademi Award. Which year he got? 1992. This is Sahitya Akademi Award. Clear? He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 and Padma Bhushan in 2014. See, two more awards he got. Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri Award. Here Padma Vibhushan also given. So here he got this two award, Padma Bhushan Award and Padma Shri Award. Fine. Padma Shri Award he got in the year of 1999. Padma Bhushan in the year of 2014. Clear? Then, as a prolific writer, prolific meaning best writer, he has written over 500 short stories, essays and novels. How many short stories has he written? 500. Okay. The novels, essays were the maximum his stories were related to the children. His popular novel, The Blue Umbrella, was made into a Hindi film. Yes, his famous work is The Blue Umbrella that made movie. Okay, and was awarded the National Film Award for the Best Children's Film in 2007. Which award got? National Film Award. This is National Film Award, NFA, National Film Award. He got this award in the year of 2007. Fine. So this paragraph you read it twice. He got many awards. Academy, Sahitya Akademi Award, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, then Filmfare Award also he got, National Film Award. Okay. His famous work, The Blue Umbrella, that made movie also. Clear? Then let's move to glossary part. First word is turnstile. Turnstile. See, this is what turnstile. Only one person can move in this turnstile. Okay, at a time, one person only can move. A mechanical gate consisting of revolving horizontal arms fixed to a vertical post, allowing only one person at a time to pass through. That is why it's called turnstile. I hope you might have seen somewhere big hotels, buildings and all we can find, but not the same size, different shapes. Okay, this is called turnstile. Next, hollyhocks. What is the word? Hollyhocks. This is hollyhocks, a tall Eurasian plant of the mallow family with large showy flowers. See, look at this flower. It's big in size, colorful flower. It's plant for decoration. Okay, showy flowers. Name is hollyhocks. Next word is colonel, a rank of officer in the army. Colonel. What's the meaning? A rank of officer in the army. Army officer. Then brigadier. Brigadier is higher than this colonel. A rank of officer in the British army. Above colonel. That rank is above the colonel. Okay. Then trapeze. What is the word? Trapeze. See, trapeze, a horizontal bar hanging by two ropes and free to swing, used by acrobats in a circus. This is what trapeze. People jump using this bar, horizontal in shape. Can you see this? This is what? Trapeze. Next, muttered. What's the meaning of muttered? To utter words in a low tone. To utter words in a low tone. That is muttered. We speak with low voice. That is muttered. Then slithered. Slide or slip in unsteadily on a loose or slippery surface. Sliding, we play sliding, seesaw, sliding and all. So that is slide or slip unsteadily on a loose or slippery surface. That is what? Slithered. Then pruning, the act of trimming a plant. In park or garden and all, we could find the trees, in different shape they pruned, like elephant or a horse, some animals shapes or some other things, flower shape, like that is what? Pruning the plant. Okay, act of trimming a plant. Then bougainvillea. See, this is bougainvillea, an ornamental shrubby climbing plant that is widely cultivated in tropics. Definitely we have seen this flower on the roadside. We can see like a paper plant, different colors also there. Okay, this is called bougainvillea, an ornamental shrubby climbing plant that is widely cultivated in tropics. Then chimney, making melodious ringing sound typically to indicate the time. See, for example, alarm, alarm sound, very low noise, right? Low sound, that is chimney. Making melodious ringing sounds typically to indicate the time. Then bagarigas. This is bagarigas. We say lovebirds, right? A small Australian bird of the parrot family, often kept in a cage as a pet. We can find many houses has this caged bird, right? Bagarigas. This name of the bird is bagarigas, a small Australian bird of the parrot family. It is the family of parrot. Okay, often kept in a cage as a pet. Then cranking, the act of turning a handle to start an engine. Cranking meaning starting the vehicle. Okay, some vehicle start with a noise. That is what? Act of turning a handle to start an engine. Then sprightliness. Sprightliness meaning lively and full of energy. Feel very happy and lively. Okay, filled with energy, energetical man. Okay, that is what sprightliness. The words are somewhat hard. Okay, spelling also. Please read these words and learn the spelling, correct spelling. Clear? Then let's move to the topic. What is the topic? I can't climb trees anymore. The author is Ruskin Bond. Okay. Warm up is given. Have you ever tried swimming from a tree? Definitely we have that experience, right? We swing in the tree. Then, have you ever climbed up a tree to pluck fruits? Do you pluck fruits? Sure, right? Then, think of the other occasion when you have climbed up trees either near your homes or outside. Share your reason with the class. Yeah, so read this and you can share with your friends. Then let's begin the topic. Okay. Read the story given below. Find out why the visitor feels that he can't climb trees anymore. So this tree is related to this author. Okay, why he couldn't climb the trees anymore? Can you guess what are the reason would be there for not climbing up the tree? One is he might become old enough, right? Or any some other reasons, right? So here let's read the story and let's find out the reason. Okay. He stood on the grass verge by the side of the road and looked over the garden wall at the old house. A man. Okay. Here this a man refers to our author Ruskin Bond. So he refers to this author. This author, he stood aside of the road, okay, and grass verge. The side of the verge meaning at the end, edge point. By the side of the road and looked over the garden. There was a beautiful garden. He was looking at the garden, okay, garden wall at the old house. There was a old beautiful house he could see. So he stood at the side of the road and looking at that house, old house. It hadn't changed much. See that house, that didn't alter. Alter meaning change much. See nowadays the old traditional house and all we cannot see. Maximum houses altered, right? But that house, didn't change much. The old house built with solid blocks of granite wasn't altered at all. That house, that built with solid blocks. Solid meaning very hard blocks of granite. That also they didn't alter. The same solid granite he could find by standing at the roadside. Okay, he could see that. But there was a new outhouse and there were fewer trees. See, but they built a small rooms or small house. Outhouse meaning at the side or near the house they built a small house. Then a fewer countable trees also were there. He was glad to see that the jackfruit tree still stood at the side of the building, casting its shades on the wall. See, he felt very happy. Why he felt happy? By seeing a jackfruit tree. There was a big jackfruit tree. That tree, was there. Still that tree was there. They didn't chop down the tree. So by seeing that tree, he felt very happy. He refers to the Ruskin Bond. Okay, he felt very happy. Why? Because that tree's shades, shadow that gives to this house. Okay, he was glad to see that the jackfruit tree still stood at the side of the building. Near that building, that tree was there. Casting meaning giving or throwing shades. Okay, shade on the wall, at the wall and house and all, giving its shade. Clear this paragraph? Please, all of you should read this paragraph. Read after me. He stood on the grass verge by the side of the road and looked over the garden wall at the old house. It hadn't changed much. The old house, built with solid blocks of granite, wasn't altered at all. Altered meaning change. But there was a new outhouse. Near that house, a new small house they built. And there were fewer trees. There also he could find some trees. He was glad to see that the jackfruit tree still stood at the side of the building, casting its shades on the wall. Casting, throwing or giving the shades. Clear? Then he remembered, here he refers to our author Ruskin Bond. He remembered his grandmother saying, his grandmother, she often uttered this phrase. What is that? A blessing rests on the house where the shadow of a tree falls. She believes that God's blessing, that falls, what is? Shades of the tree. Where this shades of the tree falls on a house, that is the blessing of the God. This phrase often uttered, often said by our author's grandmother. Clear? So, our author's grandmother always say this phrase. Okay. And so the present owners must also be receiving the tree's blessing. So this author is thinking. Okay. So at present in that house, some new people, okay, new families there. So that family also getting God's blessing of this shades. Like that, Ruskin Bond was thinking where he was standing at the side of the road and he was looking at the house and recalling, okay, thinking of these things. At the spot where he stood there had once been turnstile. See, in that place, there the turnstile, I showed the picture, right? Instead of a gate, big gate, there was a turnstile. Only one person can go, right? And as a boy, he would swing on it. This Ruskin lived in this house when he was a boy, okay, yeah. So he was recalling his memories, okay. When he stayed in this house, this man, he played with this turnstile, okay. We can go round and round. And as a boy, he would swing on it, going round and round until he was quite dizzy. Dizzy, feel unsteady. So he go on playing with that turnstile. Now the turnstile was gone. So this is what the changes of that house. Okay, that house didn't change much, yet the turnstile wasn't there. Clear? Then the opening walled up. But that place, they walled up. They built a big wall, tall wall. They built it up. Okay, the turnstile they removed from that place. Tall hollyhocks grew on the other side of the wall. Yeah, other side of the wall. That means the roadside or at the side of the house and all. They planted hollyhocks. Okay, that beautiful showy flower, that grew on the other sides of the wall. This is what the changes he could find. The turnstile is not there. Then hollyhocks plant grew the sides of the wall. Clear? He remembered his grandmother saying, a blessing rests on the house where the shades of a tree falls. And so the present owners must also be receiving the tree's blessing. At present in this house, new family is living. Okay. At the spot where he stood, there had once been turnstile. At the roadside, people enter through that turnstile. And as a boy, he would swing on it, going round and round until he was quite dizzy. Now the turnstile was gone. The opening walled up, tall hollyhocks grew on the other side of the wall. Clear? What are you looking at? So when this author was looking at the house, trees, that place, and just he went back of his childhood stage. That time, immediately one noise he heard. What are you looking at? That voice he heard. He couldn't find the person, only the noise he heard. It was a disembodied, separated from body. He couldn't find the body. He could hear the voice alone. Voice at first. Moments later, a girl stood framed between dark red hollyhocks staring at the man. See, after a moment, so when he was looking at that place, a girl asked, "What are you looking at?" Immediately he was looking around. He couldn't find anyone. After a moment, a girl stood up there. Okay, a small girl. She stood up, what is, between dark red hollyhocks. That hollyhocks plant, the middle, she stood up, staring at the man. She was looking steadily this man, this old man. She was only 12 or 13 with lively eyes and long black hair. Yes, what about her appearance? Her age is just 12 or 13. This is what her age. Okay, very small girl. Then with lively, her eyes, small girl, so her eyes are sparkling. Okay, very lovely. And she had long black hair. Her hair is black in color and it's very long. Okay. I'm looking at the house. Is it yours? He asked. So he responded for her question. What are you looking at? He said, I'm looking at your house. To that girl, that small girl. Okay. Is it yours? Yes, Ruskin Bond asked that girl. Is that house yours? Belongs to you? He asked. Immediately she responded, no, it's my father's. Whose? That's her father's. Why? Do you want to buy it? Yeah, she said, do you want to buy it? Why do you ask this question? Like that, she said. Okay. And what does your father do? Immediately, this Ruskin Bond asked, what does your father do? What is his job? He is only a colonel. Yes. What is he? He is an army officer, right? He is only a colonel, like she said. Only a colonel? Like that, he was stressing. Well, he should have been a brigadier by now. Yeah, this time, he must become a brigadier, but still he has in the position of colonel. Okay, the man burst out laughing. Okay, by hearing this from the small girl, he was laughing, burst out laughing. Okay, he was laughing very loudly. It's not funny, she said. Yeah, by seeing his laugh, this girl replied, okay, I didn't say any joke, it's not funny. Like she said, even mommy says he should be a brigadier. Yes, even my mom used to say by this time, he should become a brigadier. Like that, my mother used to say. Like that, this girl says. Okay. It was on the tip of his tongue to make a witty remark. Perhaps that's why he is still a colonel. Yes, that time he says, yes, he was thinking, okay, tip of his tongue, meaning, see, that word, he liked to say, but he just controlled that word, okay. He was thinking, what is the remark? He thought witty remark. Witty meaning humorous remark. Perhaps that's why he is still a colonel. Yeah, your mother used to say, no, that's why he was in the same position. Like that, he was thinking and laughing that moment. But he did not want to give offense. They stood on either side of the wall, appraising each other. See, here, appraising meaning assess. They are talking. This girl, this old man and this girl, they were standing at the side of the opposite side, either side of the wall, and they were talking, okay, each other. And assess meaning asking, what about your father, mother, this house, all this details and all this old man, inquiring in a fun way. Clear? Then this girl, she's asking, do you want to buy it? Again, this girl is asking, do you want buy this house? Why are you looking at this? No, he said. He said, no, I don't want to buy this house. Okay. Well, she said, if you don't want to buy the house, what are you looking at? Yes, she's asking. If you don't want to buy this house, then why? Why are you standing here and staring at my house? Like that, this girl is raising question. Okay. I used to live here 25 years ago. Yeah, this man is telling, okay, this Ruskin Bond lived in this house. How many years back? 25 years back. As a boy, as a young man, okay, as a boy, as a young man, he lived there. And then my grandmother died and we sold the house and went away. Yes, after that, what happened after some years, his grandmother, she passed away, died. Then they sold. What is the three form for sell? Sold this house and they shifted from that place. Like that, who said this? Ruskin Bond. Clear this much? So some question answers given. What was the old house built with? How was the old house built with solid blocks of granite? Right? Then, does the visitor still live in the house? This visitor, here visitor refers to this Ruskin Bond. Does he live there? No, right? He shifted from that place. Why he shifted? Because his grandma passed away. So, as a young boy, he shifted this place. Okay. So, now he just passed by. He just looking at that house and recalling his memories and looking at the changes of that house. Clear? So read this question answer. I stop here. Please read this much twice and learn the hard words. Meanings you should learn with spelling. Spelling also you should learn. Don't commit mistake. Then please don't pile up your work. Do it as soon as possible. Thank you. Meet you in the next class.